management staff of the University of Uyo Teaching Hospital. So I'd like to recognize them. The Director of Administration of the University of Uyo Teaching Hospital is here. Dr. J.J. Akban, PhD. The DFA Director of Finance and Accounts, Mr. Bello Kamal, is here. The Director of Audit, Mr. Efio Ekanya, is here. And the Head of Information and Public Affairs, Mr. Okomumo. All welcome. I've also observed that I saw the Dean, Faculty of Clinical Sciences, my senior brother, Professor Jena Basin Webb, is here. So National anthem. Yes. Akwa Ibom State Anthem, please. Please be seated. The Executive Governor of Akwa oversight. The Governor of Akwa Ibom State, Pastor Oni, the paramount ruler of Uyo, Secretary General, our elders, Royal Highness, the representative of the Commissioner of Police, ACP, Dr. Kefas Kwaje, the Medical Director of Police Hospital, SOGON members, our new inductees, members of management of the University of Uyo Hospital, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the President of the Society, SOGON, it is my honor and privilege to welcome all of you to the 58th Annual General Meeting and Scientific Conference tagged Her Excellency Ma. In this hall, we have before you came, we had done some introductions, but I think it's nice for you to know who is who in SOGON. Please, I crave your indulgence.
We have the President of SOGON, Professor Okechukwu Ibeze. We need her attention now. She's busy with him, so we need her attention. Huh? Yes. Seated next to the President on the right is the first Vice President of SOGON and the President-elect, Professor Peter Abiodun Aboyeji from the University of Ilorin. On the immediate left of Her Excellency is the Vice President too and our immediate past Secretary General, Professor Christopher Aimaku from University College Hospital, Ibadan. And of course, like the Excellency was saying, that she's only seeing one female outside. We have the National Hospital, Abuja. We also have the editor of the journal and a member of the ESCO, Professor Patrick Daru, congenital PhD from the University of Jos. And of course, the guest speaker for today, immediate past Secretary General of SOGON, past this, past that, MNI, MPOM, one lady number one, Professor Innocent Uja. Please, Professor Rosemary Ogu, President of M1, please join us at the high table. Professor Rosemary Ogu, join us at the high table so we can have some gender balancing, and then so that the Deputy Governor will not get angry. On that note, we want the President of LOC to come and give his welcome address so we can move. Thank you.
Thank you, Sec Gen. Welcome address from the LOC Chairman. Ladies and on behalf of the Society of Gynecology and Obstetrics of Nigeria, it is my pleasure to warmly welcome you to our 58th Annual General Meeting and Scientific Conference, holding for the first time in the vibrant city of Uyo, Nigeria, from the 26th to the 30th of November. Excellency Ma, we had already been meeting. We have had almost 2 days of activities. This is the formal opening ceremony. We are thrilled to gather the best minds in obstetrics and gynecology to share knowledge, innovations, and experiences that shape the future of women's health in Nigeria and beyond. This conference offers a unique opportunity for knowledge sharing of the latest research, cutting-edge technologies, and evidence-based practices. Networking, collaboration with peers, and establishment of meaningful collections and fostering of partnerships. Capacity building, especially for our young colleagues, to enhance their skills, gain insights, and stay updated in industry advancement. Our theme for this conference, Sustaining Maternal and Child Health in a Challenging Economy, reflects our collective commitment as obstetricians and gynecologists and as patriots to improving maternal and reproductive health outcomes in Nigeria, irrespective of the numerous challenges we face in our personal and professional lives. At this juncture, I want to thank the Honorable Minister of Health, Professor Ali Pate, for his recent pronouncement of free cesarean sections for vulnerable women. As part of this conference, we are going to have a presentation by the Director General of the National Health Insurance Agency, who would come and tell us a little bit more about the Comprehensive Emergency Obstetric and Newborn Care CMONC. The pre-conference workshops were handled by subject matter experts, specialists, and we have assembled an exceptional lineup of speakers, including international experts, to address the theme and sub-themes, which include strategies for prevention of gynecological cancers, mitigating gender-based violence in Nigeria. This second sub-theme was actually chosen months ago to promote the work that Her Excellency, the late wife of our governor, had been doing in the state. We felt it was an opportunity. It's unfortunate that she would have been with us today, but she is no more. May her gentle soul rest in peace. Improving quality uptake of family planning services in Nigeria. There are also sponsored sessions as well as a lineup of social activities to ensure a truly enriching experience in Uyo, with its rich cultural heritage and warm hospitality, provides an ideal setting for productive discussions, meaningful conference possible. We are also grateful to our members and other participants and special participants from within and outside the country for honoring us with their presence. My immense gratitude goes to the Executive Governor of Akwa Ibom State, who, despite being bereaved, has not forgotten us. We want to thank him. The co-chairman of our LOC, Professor Augustine Umor, the Honorable Commissioner of Health for the state, who is right now, would join us later. He's very busy with some state matters. We appreciate him. The indefatigable secretary of our LOC, Dr. Matthias Gabriel Abba, chairman and members of different subcommittees. I cannot but say a special thank you to Professor Onyeka Nabasietai, head of Chair Scientific Subcommittee, Professor Nyoyoko, Dr. Nyoyoko. So thank you all the members of our different subcommittees. Your hard work and dedication has made this possible. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, together, let's advance the frontiers of obstetrics and gynecology, improve women's life, and shape a brighter future for Nigeria. Thank you for joining us, and please enjoy the conference. And as we say in Akwa Ibom State, Ete Yema.
To hear the presidential address from the Sogom President, Professor Okechukwu Ibeze. Professor, sir.
Your Excellency, the Governor of Akwa Ibom State, Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor of Akwa Ibom State, the respected paramount ruler of Uyo, with your cabinet, who has already received us to the kingdom, the entire council, thank you very much for keeping to your word and coming here in person. Our distinguished past presidents and senior members of Sogon who are here, Chairman LOC and members, our other members, and distinguished ladies and gentlemen of the press. On behalf of the to the 58th Annual General Meeting and Scientific Conference of our great society, taking place at Uyo, the beautiful capital city of Akwa Ibom State, Nigeria. The hosting rights were given to Uyo in the Sogon Eastern Sector 2 years ago based on their eager request. The council noted that the city is very accessible by air and by road from every part of the country, even from abroad. The LOC, ably led by the chairman, Professor M.M. Bassi, the co-chairman, Professor Augustine Vincent Omor, and the secretary, Dr. Matthias Gabriel Abba. They have been in contact with ESCO and Council Outing. They have worked very hard indeed to give us this wonderful event. The Annual General Meeting and Scientific Conference provide us great platforms and opportunities for our members and our partners and other professional groups involved in women's health to interact, share ideas, network, and push the agenda for the highest levels of healthcare for our women through their journey from birth, childhood, reproductive years, and even beyond. Sogon Uyo 2024 has the main theme of sustaining quality maternal and child health in a challenging economy. It promises to provide an educational experience that will be second to none. This obviously will be complemented by captivating social activities which will enjoin you all to savor, because we already know of the great hospitality of Uyo and Akwa Ibom State. The AGM and Scientific Conference is the first since I was elected the president of the Society of Gynecology and Obstetrics of Nigeria in November 2023. In this period of time, we have been involved in the following key projects: the FIGO Sogon Leadership Development Initiative, the Global Health Workforce Program, the Amplify. Sogon is also working with many other partners, including the Federal Ministry of Health, especially the Family Health, Safe Mother, and other divisions. Other important partners include DRPC, JAPAIGO, WHO, UNICEF, and so on.